I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we'll take up a very important trigonometric identity which relates to half angle. The question for you is to prove the identity 1 minus cos x over sin x equals to tan x by 2. You can always pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. I'm very thankful to all the viewers and subscribers for watching my videos and posting excellent suggestions. This question has also come from one of our subscribers. In case you want to learn from me, you can always send an email on the address given. Our students are doing extremely well. Some of them are even getting the awards, like Akshit.
After attending university. The winner of this year's Certificate of Achievement Schulich Leader Award is Akshit Kandivani.
Great. Our student Akshit gets highest marks and the most prestigious Schulich Leader Award. You can be there. Join our classes and excel.
Now let's look into the solution and proof of this identity. As you can see, it involves half angle. Let me share with you the related formula, and from there we will begin. So one of the formula which you know is sine 2 theta is equals to 2 times sine theta cos theta. That is the double angle formula, you know. But if I replace 2 theta by x, then what happens? Sine of x, that means 2 theta is x, so theta will be x by 2, right? Will be 2 sine x by 2 times cos x by 2. You see that? So we can replace the denominator sin x with 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Similarly for cos x, you know we have three different formulae for cos x. Let me choose one of them. Cos 2 theta is equal to, let's take the one which involves cos square theta, right? 2 cos square theta minus 1, right? Now here again, if I replace 2 theta with x, I will get this as 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. Right. So that is how we can replace this cos x. So we can begin with the left hand side. That seems to be more complicated. Simplify and then get the result. That's the whole idea. So basically, now the question becomes 1 minus. Instead of cos x, I'm going to write 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. And instead of sin x, we'll write 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Right. So that is our left hand side. Make sense? Now, once you open the brackets, then 1 minus of minus 1 makes it 2, right? So in the numerator, we get 2, and here we have minus 2 cos square x by 2, right? And in the denominator, we have 2 times sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Now from here, you can simplify this to tan x by 2, right? taking 2 common. So let's go to a new page, copy this. So we got 2 minus 2 cos square x by 2 divided by 2 sin x by 2 times cos x by 2 when we simplified the left hand side, replacing cos x and sin x with half angle formula. Now if I take 2 common, then I get 1 minus cos square x by 2. Denominator still has 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. We can cancel 2's. So we have 1 minus cos square x by 2. Since you remember, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. We have 1 minus cos square theta right there, right? So we could write this as sin square theta, theta being x by 2. Right? So in the numerator, I'm changing that to sin square x by 2, correct? And in the denominator, we have sin x by 2 times cos x by 2. Make sense? So sin square and sin x by 2, they cancel, leaving sin x by 2 in the numerator divided by cos x by 2 in the denominator. And that is tan x by 2, clear? Which is the right hand side. So we have shown left hand side is equal to right hand side. Perfect. So the strategy here is to remember and apply your formula. Perfect. And also see how we utilize the double angle formula to get the half angle formula. Well, these are standard formulae, but some students may not remember, and that is how you apply. Make sense? So with that, we come to an end of this particular solution. I hope you find it interesting and useful. Feel free to write your comments and suggestions. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. In case you want to learn from me, you can always send an email on the address given. Thanks for your time and all the best.